We need to talk.
I'm on the phone here. And I gotta finish my pedicure.
I'm not standing out here all night.
Coulda fooled me.
This isn't your house, you know.
But it's my bathroom.
Get out of there now. I have needs.
I gotta go, Olaf. Call me back later. Collect.
Who's so important in Denmark you have to talk to them all night long?
No one special. I just love the sound of the Danish language.
Ah! My bathroom! Completely destroyed!
Yeah, you better get that toilet fixed. I'm having a party tonight. Ow! You can't make me leave. I got my rights. If you hit me, you'll go to jail for cruelty to animals.